Welcome to Coder Station.
Hello fellow coders, today we are diving into a fundamental data structure in JavaScript, arrays. Now, who can tell me what an array is? Is it like a collection of values similar to a list? Exactly, arrays allow us to store multiple values in a single variable. Let's start with a simple example. Let fruit is equal to apple, banana, orange, grapes. Here, we have created an array called fruits with 4 elements. Each element has an index starting from 0, so fruit 0 is apple, fruit 1 is banana, and so on. Can we change the element in an array? Absolutely. Arrays in JavaScript are mutable. That means you can modify, add or remove elements. For example, fruits 2 is equal to mango. So now fruits would be apple, banana, mango, grapes. It will replace the index 2 element which was previously orange with mango. Spot on. Let's consider a real life scenario. Imagine you are building a program to manage a to-do list. Let to-do list is equal to buy groceries, finish homework and exercise. How can we add a new task to the to-do list? Great question. We can use the push method to add an element to the end of the array. So to-do list.push read a book. And what if we want to remove a task? We can use the pop method to remove the last element. Let remove task is equal to to-do list.pop. What if we want to know the number of tasks? You can use the length property of the array. Let number of tasks is equal to to-do list.length. Now, for those looking to dive deeper into arrays, I recommend checking out the MDN web docs and free code camp. They provide comprehensive guides and interactive exercise to enhance your understanding. Arrays are incredibly versatile and play a crucial role in programming. In our next video, we will explore more advanced concepts. Stay tuned and keep coding.